hiccups in babies, hiccups in newborns. Are you curious to know why hiccups happen? Do you want to know how to prevent them? Steps you can take as a mother to reduce persistent hiccups in newborns? Come, let me tell you how. You're welcome to the Coming Mom, a community for golden, doting, and present moms. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. Stay glued to this channel. To my returning moms, thank you for always. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share it with other moms. Hiccups in babies are common and usually nothing to worry about. They often happen when a baby's diaphragm gets irritated, which can occur after feeding or when they are excited. Generally, they will go away on their own and aren't a cause for concern. Why do hiccups happen? 1. Overfeeding or feeding too quickly. Swallowing air while feeding can irritate the diaphragm. 2. Sudden change in temperature. Going from warm to cool surroundings or vice versa can sometimes trigger hiccups. 3. Excitement or stress. Babies may hiccup when they are overly excited or stressed. 4. Immature digestive system. Babies' digestive systems are still developing, and this can make them more prone to hiccups. Steps you can take as a mother to reduce persistent hiccups in newborns. 1. Feed in an upright position. Try feeding your newborn in an upright position to prevent swallowing air, which can trigger hiccups. 2. Burping. Burp your baby frequently during and after feeding to help release any trapped air in their stomach. 3. Pacifier. Offering a pacifier can sometimes help soothe hiccups by encouraging swallowing and regulating breathing. 4. Gently stimulate the back. Lightly patting or rubbing your baby's back can sometimes help stop hiccups. 5. Avoid overfeeding. Overfeeding can lead to hiccups. So try to pace feedings and ensure your baby isn't taking in too much milk at once. 6. Check for underlying issues. If hiccups persist or seem severe, it's always best to consult a pediatrician to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Remember, in most cases, persistent hiccups in newborns are harmless and will eventually resolve on their own as your baby grows and develops. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. Stay glued to this channel. To my returning moms, thank you for always. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share it with other moms. Please share it with other moms and support a co-mom by subscribing to this channel. Lots of love, golden moms. See you.